How to change the background of your video using the Capcut app.
Hey my loves, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to change the background of your videos in two ways. So for the first one, we're going to change the background to a video as well. We're going to click on stock videos and pick a video already provided by Capcut. Then we're going to click on add overlay and pick a video of our choice. We're going to love to change this background. Then we'll click on cutout and remove the background of our main video. So after processing, we are going to make sure that our video is at the center of the new background we've picked, and we have a new video background. Then we're going to adjust the clips to make sure it's aligning, and we'll move to the next tutorial. For this second one, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to click on new project, go to videos and pick a video we would love to change this background to a picture. So now we've clicked on the video is already available for us to start editing. We're going to click on cutout and remove the background of our video. After removing, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to adjust the clips to the center. We're going to go to canvas and pick a new background of our choice. Now I'm trying out different background, and at the end of the day you can pick the one that suits you better, but you have like a variety to choose from. So after that, we're going to make sure that our resolution is perfect. We're going to pick 180p resolution and we're going to export. Thank you.